Welcome to Way to Commerce. Subscribe to Way to Commerce. Today we discuss multiple choice questions in budgetary control. The first one is budgets are shown in dash terms. The option A qualitative, B quantitative, C materialistic, D both B and C. So the option is D both quantitative and materialistic. Next, second MCQ. Which of the following is not an element of master budget? Not an element of master budget. Option A capital expenditure budget, B production schedule, C operating expenses budget, D all of the above. Option B is not an element of master budget. So in elements of master budgets are capital expenditure budget and operating expenses budgets are master budget. So production schedule is not the element of master budget. Third one, which of the following is not a potential benefit of using a budget? Not a potential benefit of using a budget. Option A enhanced coordination of firm activities, B more motivated managers, C improved interdepartmental communication, D more accurate external financial statements. So option D is not a potential benefit of using a budget. Next, fourth one, which of the following is a long-term budget? Master budget, B flexible budget, C cash budget, D capital budget. You're asking a long-term budget. So capital budget is a long-term budget. Fifth one, materials become key factor if option A quota restrictions exist. Yes, quota restrictions exist. Materials become a key factor because restriction and quota. Next, sixth one, the difference between fixed cost and variable cost assumes significance in the preparation of the following budget. So you are asking difference between fixed cost and variable cost assumes significance in the preparation of the following budget. Master budget, flexible budget. So difference in variable cost and fixed cost, it is a flexible budget. Next, seventh one, the budget that is prepared first of all is a master budget, B budget with key factor, C cash budget, D capital expenditure budget. So the budget is prepared first of all we have to create budget with key factor. Next, eighth one, sales budget is a option A expenditure budget, B functional budget, C master budget, D none of these. So sales budget is a functional budget because it is a function. Ninth one, when a company wants to prepare a factory overhead budget in which the established cost are directly derived from the estimates of activity levels, which of the following budget should be prepared by the company? Here asking when a company wants to prepare a factory overhead budget in which the estimated costs are directly derived from the estimates of activity levels, which of the following budget should be prepared by the company? Option A flexible budget, B fixed budget, C master budget, D R&D budget, research and development budget, E none of the above. So which budget? Option A we have to prepare flexible budget. 10th one, which of the following budget facilitates classification of fixed and variable cost? Classification of fixed and variable cost. This MCQ already covered. Flexible budget. Next, 11th one, the entire budget organization is controlled and headed by senior executive known as Who is senior executive? Budget controller, discussed in introduction. So budget controller. Next 12th one, which of the following is generally a long-term budget? A. Cash budget, B. Sales budget, C. Research and development budget, D. Capital expenditure budget, E. None of the above. So it also repeated capital expenditure budget. Next, a flexible budget requires a careful study of flexible budget. A. Fixed, semi-fixed and variable expenses, B. Past and current expenses, C. Overheads, selling and administration expenses, D. None of the above. So a flexible budget requires a careful study of fixed, semi-fixed and variable expenses. Okay. Next 14th, the basic difference between a fixed budget and flexible budget is that a fixed budget, option A, is concerned with a single level of activity, while flexible budget is prepared for different level of activity. Option A is suitable. The basic difference between a fixed budget and flexible budget is that a fixed budget concerned with a single level of activity, flexible budget is prepared for different levels of activity.